At APTC, we ensure that no one is left behind when it comes to education and employment. We aim for our training to be accessible for those who face barriers. This includes women, persons living with disabilities, and other socially excluded groups. Here at APTC, we promote inclusivity to support students to build meaningful careers and reach their full potential regardless of their gender, their abilities, or their backgrounds.
The difficult two in engineering pathway program was aimed to create inclusive learning environment for every student, including those with disability. For example, Stephanie, one of the students who has heart condition, but she managed to successfully complete her training.
The disability doesn't affect me, but it's like you can take out the disabilityness from your mind, just take it out and do your own stuff. So it's really helping me with that with this course here, and I don't bother about what disability I have.
David is one of my students who has done exceptionally well, and with David's disability, he is able to complete his training as well.
And now it's my first time joining APTC. I've been motivating myself to get there because the time is limited. I met a new trainer and then he taught me very well.
For Wakesa, her disability is not a barrier. She has proven that she too can take up a welding course and succeed.
When I in this course, I was confidently good because a lot of experience in helping me a lot. They're helping me a lot, especially the trainer. I thank them for the support. I'm very happy.